Hi everyone, this is Pia and Sean with our four little dogs, and welcome to our van life. On this episode, we explore Crater Lake National Park where we stayed at Mazama Village. It's snowing in June and it is freezing cold. Please join us, and we thank you all for watching.
Got some firewood, got laundry, mail. That's our restaurant over there. And campground's check-in still open at almost until 9 p.m. So we are on the Sea Loop number 10. And a lot of these loops over here are different. Looks like comfort station, water supply. Says there's a gas station. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, cool. So it looks like we can get gas there tomorrow. C3G. This is June, almost July, in Crater Lake National Park. And I'm still wearing shorts and flip-flops. We got a whole bunch of snow in our campsite. And looks like our fire pit is pretty buried. And there's a Nice little frozen creek down there. It is cold. But this is a nice spot, C10. Good morning, everybody, from Crater Lake National Park in Oregon. We got in right around dusk last night, and we got this really cool camp spot in Mazama Village Campground. It's the only campground officially in the park that you can book in recreation.gov. And as you can see, it's still snowy up here in late June, and it just started snowing a bit actively. So it's supposed to rain and potentially snow, and this is late June. So we're going to get a quick avocado toast going for breakfast and then get out, because hopefully this snow doesn't turn to rain. So we'll see if we can capture some of the snow here with this tape. So the plan for today is we're going to head up to the lake and circle around, and there's a bunch of waterfalls nearby. Check out everything that we can and show you guys along the way. And then we're going to come back through here and try to find camping outside of the park at a forest road or BLM spot that's a little bit warmer than it is right here, because it's supposed to actually get down to the 20s potentially here tomorrow. It's like 30. Get this avocado nice and mashed. Yeah. Need my new camp knife. So, quick update on our last weekend, and with Chef Alex, who also went by call sign Combat Chef. We tried to order the knives to support him and also his foundation, but also they're really cool Japanese style knives, but they went out of stock. Actually, I think one of the other storyteller owners beat us to the last one. So we're gonna hopefully get on the pre-order for the next set. Kylo already ate. She got kind of cold last night for the first time and was cuddling us, so had to get used to maneuvering around humans as they're sleeping. You want to use the Yeti cups for coffee, Beb? You eating some chicken, honey? So hopefully you guys can see the snow coming down. It's coming down pretty lightly so far, but this is pretty unique as we were driving through 95 degrees in Lake Shasta area, Redding area yesterday. Pretty distinct weather change. I don't know if there's much better smells than some toast on a cold morning, but it smells pretty good right now. All right, eggs are almost done. Avocado is ready. Toast is definitely cooling off. One coffee done, and one coffee starting to go any second. Steamy. Sun coming out a little bit. That'll help. And everybody is hauling out of here pretty fast.